Using ebook full text is a different situation than it is for journals. For journal articles, you can simply download them and save them, and there's no problem. It's just like downloading a PDF or some other format, and it's savable for you. But with ebooks, most publishers will not allow you to save the book to your computer to use for later. While they may allow a download, it's generally to a e-reader, which locks the book in so that you can't actually save it and keep it. You can use it for a time within that platform, but it's not savable. Other than that, you can actually benefit most by saving chapters. Let's take a look at this ebook here, Ethic of Care, and I'm going to open up the PDF full text and we'll have a look at it. Now you see some options here. There's a table of contents, and up here there's a download link. I want to take a look at that first of all because I think there's some important information here. So it says, publisher determines the number of pages available for download, and in this case there's a download page limit of 100, which means you can download up to 100 pages from this book. Not more than that, but up to that. And so you can, with this download link, you can select a chapter, any one of these chapters, and download it. And the full ebook, let's see what happens here. Now it says you have to sign into your My EBSCO account, which is in the upper right. And that's a possible thing, so you can sign in. And then you'll have to go through a process and end up with something called the Thorium Reader, which is a program that you have to download, an app that you have to download to your computer or to your phone before you can actually use this particular ebook. Downloading the whole book is generally not that particularly useful for you because you have the chapters here and you can read any part of the book online. So let's take a look. I'm going to just open a chapter here. And so you can read it here, and you can copy and paste. So you can copy and paste any text you want, and so capture it that way. And over on the right, you can see that you can download the book or the chapter. And if you click on that, it will say, there's the chapter, and you can just download it. And so that's the best way to use this ebook rather than trying to download the whole thing into the Thorium Reader and use it there. There's another platform that is also something that we commonly have, which is ProQuest. The ProQuest platform is quite different. You have a lot of the information right here up front. Availability, it says you have access to one copy of this book, which means that if somebody else is using this book at this time, you'll be blocked from using it. So it's only one user at a time, just like one print book at a time, etc. And so you have some other options here. Download PDF, set up to download 599 pages. That's a lot. So you can download up to 599 pages. Well, how do you download that? It says it's not available for full download. If it was available, ProQuest has its own e-reader, and you could download it into there. But downloading the whole book is really not that profitable. What you need to do instead is to find the chapter that you want and download it here. You can read it online here, or you can download it as a PDF. And if you download it as a PDF, that chapter is something that gets captured, and you can make use of it in the future. Thank you.